Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Rakuten campaign links for creators in USA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Rakuten campaign links for creators in the USA, begin by logging into your Rakuten account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the campaigns section. Click on the Create Campaign option to start the process. You will need to select the type of campaign you wish to create. After selecting your campaign type, fill out the necessary details. This includes your campaign name, description, and any promotional materials you plan to use. Next, choose the products or services you want to promote through your campaign links. Make sure to specify the commission rate you are offering to creators. Once you have entered all the relevant information, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to Rakuten's terms and conditions. Now, move on to the approval process for your campaign. Submit your campaign for review by clicking on the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email indicating that your campaign is under review. Wait for Rakuten to approve your campaign. Once approved, log back into your Rakuten account. Go to the Campaigns section again to find your newly approved campaign. From there, you can generate custom links for creators to access your campaign. Copy these links to share with your creators. Make sure to provide clear instructions on how they can use these links in their promotions. You are now ready to successfully authorize Rakuten campaign links for creators in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.